Today I'm taking a look at the Torani coffee syrup variety pack. We got our French vanilla. And these are plastic bottles, which I prefer because I don't like having glass shattering all over the place. Plastic always seems to last longer in my house. Vanilla, hazelnut, and caramel. So yeah, that is a nice set. As you can see, they do not come with the pump, so if you want to use pumps, you're going to have to buy those separately. You can, of course, just take off the top, pour out whatever you want, and then put the top back on. Of course, this is a syrup, so it might start getting messy if you do that. I got a 4-pack of pumps, so this is going to be great for this set. Just drop it in, and there we are. So it's always great having a variety here. That way, no matter who's at your house, they're always going to find something that they like. I'm going to add a shot of French vanilla just to see what that actually does. I don't know which one I like better, but yeah, if you want a little sweeter, that stuff is awesome.